Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you 2 fun winter-themed activities you can do with your preschooler at home or in the classroom. Welcome back. In today's video we're going to talk about 2 more winter-themed activities you can do. Our first activity is kind of a play on a sensory tub. For this tub, I used hair conditioner and made a fun color swirling activity. You could use any white hair conditioner that you like, and it smells fantastic, but just a note of warning, because this product is not a non-toxic product, you will want to supervise your children doing it very closely and have them wash their hands after it's done. For this activity, I put hair conditioner in the bottom of a tub and then put food dye drops all over the hair conditioner. I would give the child a popsicle stick or a paintbrush for them to swirl the colors in the hair conditioner. This is a great way to use up your old hair conditioner that you don't want to use anymore. Our second activity today is a gross motor activity. This activity is ice skating with paper plates. For this activity, you'll want to do it on a hard floor if possible, because the children will be able to skate easier. But they will each get 2 paper plates to act as skates on their feet, and they can pretend like they're skating on ice. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you next time.